Hey everybody, it's the contingency plan. Actually doing kind of one of my old school type videos. It's hard to come up with topics because I've done pretty much all of them, but I did realize that there is something that was missing. So I have a lot of bug out bags, even though I never plan on bugging out, but I have them. Worst case scenario, somebody needs, I've probably got 4, 5, 6 of them. And then I have one that's just a medic bag. It's dedicated. It's got a pouch here, 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 and here. And it's loaded with medical supplies. Okay, but it's generic. There's, you name it, it's probably in there. But what I realize is, what if you have a specific emergency that requires specific items to treat? I don't want to take this, open all these pouches up, you know, dump it on the ground and then sort through everything to find what I need. So I made a GSW bag. This is only for gunshot wounds. And there's one item that's missing that I need to add. And that is a large syringe, but not with the needle, just the syringe without the needle. And that is for this bottle of sodium chloride for irrigation. I realize it's not very effective if somebody has a wound to just, you know, start pouring this. You need to get it in a syringe, stick it in the wound and irrigate it, flush it out. So that does need to be added to this. But so let's see what else is in here. Elastic bandages. This, it could be used for a gunshot. I mean, it could be used for other things too, but depending on where the gunshot is, these aren't bad. So it's got clips and elastic bands. Surgical sponges. None of these things are open, so surgical sponges. And to go along with the surgical sponges, I have the forceps. And there's I think 2 different sizes here. Well, they're about the same size, but this one is like a straight and this one's curved. These would be used to hold on to the surgical sponges, you know, to dab the wound, to try and clean it up. You could even, you know, soak it in the sodium chloride, or to retrieve, if the bullet's not a through and through, you're gonna need to remove it. And so this will help. Another thing I might want to add maybe is a scalpel. We'll see. More cohesive bandages. This is basically, I usually call this stuff horse tape. This is just a self-adhesive wrap. You wrap around something and it sticks to itself, so you don't need the clips like you do on the ACE bandages. That a tourniquet, of course. Definitely need that. This, I guess you call this, like, I don't think it's surgical tape. It's more like sports tape, just to hold on things like the ACE bandages, because the clips, they're okay. It's a good backup. I would put the clips on and then wrap it with the medical or the sports tape. Got the forceps, gauze, and I've got a chest seal. These are all. This is a pretty good thing to have for a. It's basically like for a sucking chest wound. Trauma shears. And some blood clotting. I think it's a powder. So there are 4 packs in here. You would just take it out, rip it open like in the little photo here. Try and focus it, and dump it directly on the wound. So I think, like I said, I want to add a syringe and maybe a scalpel. But having a, come on, focus. Having a gunshot-only kit, when time is very important and you don't want to sort through all kinds of crap, or maybe you've got different things located in different locations and you have to run around and grab one thing here off this shelf or one thing off this shelf, or another thing's in this bag. Everything is in this Adidas, I guess it's a, I don't know. I guess it's a book bag. It's like a mini, It's like a tactical backpack for poor people or something. I don't know. But again, everything in here. If you can think of something else I could need in here besides sealing it, stopping the bleeding, getting the bullet out, and irrigating it and sealing it with a bandage and tourniquet for extremities. If you can think of something else I could add to this kit, I would love to hear about it. All right, take care. God bless. Just a short addendum to the video so that nobody wastes their time on the comments. I did add to that kit, what did I get? I think an 8-ounce bottle of iodine, a 10-pack of surgical scalpels, and a 150 milliliter liquid syringe. So add those 3 items to what you just saw. Take care. I swear this is the last one. This is Samson with some elk. That's why he's all bloody. He's been chewing on a lot of elk. But one other thing I added that I forgot is nitrile gloves. I am kind of a nitrile glove freak. I don't like getting anything disgusting on my hands. I've got hundreds and hundreds of nitrile gloves. I've got them in all my outbuildings. I've got them in all my vehicles. I've got them in the house. I've got them everywhere. So I just took a Ziploc bag, put like 10 pairs into the bag and added it to the kit. So there's that. So if nitrile gloves were on your list, you can cross it off.